Yo, what's going on? What's happening, guys? Hope you're doing good. I got another video for you today. Another parts install for not this car, for the WRX. Remember I said I was gonna go on another carbon fiber. Well, once you order carbon fiber, you keep ordering carbon fiber. So we got a lip from Media. He sold it. He was partying out, I guess, and I picked it up from him. Looks really good, and I'm gonna throw it on the car today and see how it looks on the car. But yeah, so for this STI, I got a couple parts coming in today. Hopefully later on I'll show you guys that on a different video, but on this video it's gonna be mainly on the WRX that's outside, and we're gonna install the lip. But first, before we get into that, I'm gonna take this car out, go to the gym, come back, and then we'll install that piece. But let me just show you guys the lip and how it looks, and then we'll start the video. All right, guys, well, here it is. This is, I think, the JDM muscle one that he had on his WRX. Looks good. Kind of dirty, damn it. But yeah, overall, yeah, this is gonna be easy install. Since I already got the carbon fiber duct, the little carbon fiber trunk spoiler, I might as well go more carbon fiber and get the lip. Before I do the side skirts though, I do want to paint the side skirt same color, so that way if I do put on a carbon fiber side skirts, it will look good. Because right now with this lip, you probably won't see it too well because it'll probably just look black at most, because the bottom portion of the bumper where this is going on is plastic, black, clouding. So it definitely will not look too good, but at least it's gonna make the car look a little lower until I get some coilovers for car, which are coming soon. Still focusing on the STI though, so yeah. So we'll get that soon and lower the car. But overall, yeah, can't wait to throw this on. Again, got it from Media. Good price, so I'm pretty sure, yeah. We're gonna throw this on and then we'll see how it looks on the car. But first, yeah, like I said, let me go hit the gym, and then I'll go for a little drive on the STI, and then yeah, come back and install this. Pretty simple. And I got another, so I'm also gonna throw this on the car. These are by AFD. These are the splitter rods in black, so I'm gonna throw these on and swap out those silver ones that the APR came with. They're kind of eyesore, as you can see, just silver. So throw these suckers on. Watch, let me look at them really quick. Well, here they are, guys. Nothing fancy, just black rods instead of the damn silver that are right here. I don't like them. These are definitely gonna look a lot better. They are still silver in the ends, but you know, oh well, at least the rods are black. I can live with that. But yeah, I'm gonna throw these on the car. Just gotta get the bumper off, and then yeah, got these from AFD. I was gonna pick up some carbon fiber ones, but you know, these are fine. But anyways, that's for the STI. But for the WRX, put this on, this bad boy. But yeah, overall, this is an easy install. Just clips, clip, and then look, he left his old clips on here. But you got clips, and then you got some self taps screws right here, and then it should be good. But yeah, can't wait to put this on. Not gonna make a little difference, but you know, it's gonna lower the car a little bit. Goes with the body line pretty well. As you can see, kind of goes up and then back down. So yeah, not too fancy. I want a Sabon one, or Sibon, or whatever you want to call it. I want to get one of those for the car, but we'll see. Maybe later down the road, we'll get one, because that one kind of looks a little more lowered, a little more aggressive, and that's what I'm looking for. So, but anyways, yeah, let's go and head out to the car and then go to the gym. All right. exhaust. It has a four freaking pipes. For what? It's not even a GR. Alright guys, well I'm gonna hit the gym really quick. I'll be back on when we get to the house and get ready to put that lip on, alright? Alright, peace out. Alright guys, well we're back in the garage and the WRX is in the garage and we are ready to install that lip. See how everything's all black like I mentioned before? You probably won't see it too much, but I'm gonna see it and I'm gonna like it, so definitely gonna change the car a little bit. I still gotta lower it, but once it's lowered, it's gonna look really nice. But yeah, I already have the quick jacks already under the car. We just lift her up and get ready to install the lip. Alright, got the lip mocked up on the car. See how it's gonna look. That's pretty good. Pretty good looking. Looks pretty sick. So yeah, I was gonna make the holes bigger because I try to fit them on there and it doesn't fit. So let me get this lip off again and then we'll try again. Make a bigger holes. Alright guys, well that completes this video. Got the lip on the car, looks good. Fitment, it's okay. For a carbon fiber lip, it's good, you know. It's gonna turn out a couple gaps there and here and there, but it looks good. Overall, I like how it came out. Kind of makes the car a little lower, so let's hope we don't break it right away. The car isn't lower, so it shouldn't break. But you know, the way we drive in this car, it's different than the way I drive in the STI. But yeah, overall, like it. Before I do any more carbon, I do want to paint the side skirt, and I don't know what I'm doing with the back bumper, but I'll probably want to paint. I definitely want to paint the side skirt and put carbon fiber side skirts. So yeah, and then paint match these, get a different grill, lower the car. Yeah, it's coming along, guys. Pretty soon, this car is gonna look a lot better than it does right now. So stay tuned for the more videos on the WRX. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video on that note and shoot some B-roll of the lip, and then that pretty much does it for the video, guys. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out. Alright guys, for those of you that stay to the end after the B-roll, look what I got. Came in today. Remember in the last video I was gonna do some more Engine Bay dress ups? Well, ooh, we got some carbon fiber from Cobb. So I'll open that up on the next video. But for now, let's get this car off the jacks and then end this video as it is. All right, peace out. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Late.